How to remove vaginal hair. There are lots of ways in which to remove vaginal hair. If you have high pain tolerance, try waxing. If you can't take the pain, try a hair removal cream specially designed for the public area. Lastly, you can always shave it off, but be sure to trim the hairs down first. Method 1: Waxing. 1. Make an appointment with an esthetician if you are sensitive to pain or unsure about how to wax the region. Waxing can be very painful. 2. Wait at least 2 weeks since your last wax to remove your vaginal hair. Exfoliate with a scrub 1 to 2 days before to remove dead skin cells. 3. Purchase a wax kit made for Brazilian or pubic waxing. It will come with cloth strips, wax, and a soothing cream or astringent gel. 4. Take a painkiller and anti-inflammatory, such as Advil. There will be some redness and swelling after the waxing is complete. 5. Trim the area with manicure scissors. Make sure it is no longer than 1/4 inch, 0.6 centimeters, long. 6. Take a warm shower or soak the area with a warm cloth. Clean and rinse the area with mild soap. 7. Prepare your cloth strips. You may need to cut them to size before you use them to ensure you are targeting the hair you want to remove. 8. Sprinkle some baby powder on the area you are going to wax. It will allow the wax to stick to the hairs. 9. Heat the wax if the product requires it. Follow package directions. Then, let it cool for 1 minute. 10. Sit against a wall with one leg bent and out to the side. Keep a mirror nearby so that you can examine the area as you wax. 11. Dip the applicator in the wax. Apply a thin layer of wax in the direction in which your hair grows. Start near the top of the pubic area and work your way toward the bottom. 12. Press the cloth strip onto the wax. Smooth it in the direction of hair growth. Let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes. 13. Stretch the skin taut with your left or non-dominant hand. Pick up the edge of the strip. Rip it quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Breathe. This will hurt, but you may get endorphins and a numbing sensation as you wax more. Repeat until you have removed the vaginal hair. 14. Use tweezers to pluck off remaining hairs. Apply a cream containing salicylic acid or the lotion that came with the waxing kit. 15. Exfoliate the area every 3 days. The hair should not grow back for 2 to 3 weeks. Method 2: Hair removal cream. 1. Choose a hair removal cream that is specially designed for the pubic area. Some hair removal creams contain chemicals, many of which should not be near your genitals. Creams for sensitive skin are also better for this region. Test the cream on a small portion of your upper bikini area to see if you are allergic. Wait 24 hours after testing to see if you have a reaction. 2. Take a warm shower. You will want to apply the depilatory cream at the end of your shower, because wet hair is easier to remove. 3. Wait at least 72 hours after you last shaved. 4. Apply the cream on the outer pubic area. Use an even layer. You can apply it with a small rubber spatula to avoid getting it on your hands. 5. Let it sit for 10 minutes. There may be some tingling and sulfuric smell. 6. Apply a damp washcloth in the direction of hair growth. Repeat until all the hair is removed. 7. Wash the area carefully. Don't apply creams, sunscreen, or other chemicals for 24 hours. 8. Tweeze away any remaining hairs. Method 3. Shaving. 1. Trim your pubic hair with a pair of manicure scissors. Cut it to less than 1/4 inch (0.6 centimeters) in length, so that it doesn't clog your razor. 2. Purchase a new razor with more than one blade. If your razor has replaceable heads, then replace it before you use it in your pubic region. 3. Take a warm shower. You can also apply a warm cloth to the area. The heat will open up the pores. 4. Apply shaving gel or cream to your vaginal area. Don't apply it near your vagina, simply on the pubic area. 5. Stand in the bathroom and place one leg on the edge of the tub, or lay in a reclined position with one leg open for better access. Pull your skin taut with the hand that won't be shaving. 6. Shave in the direction of hair growth to avoid ingrown hairs. Shave along the sides or the entire area around the vagina. Clean your razor with a bowl of water regularly to get rid of trapped hair. 7. Rinse the area with warm water. 8. Exfoliate the skin in your pubic region every 3 days to avoid ingrown hairs. Hair will begin to grow back in a week or less. Tips. Another way you can remove your vaginal hair is with electrolysis. Some salons, spas, or dermatologists perform this procedure where you shock the hair follicle to keep it from growing new hair. Make sure the business sterilizes all your tools before you make an electrolysis appointment. Warnings. Avoid shaving or waxing your pubic area while you are on your period. The area becomes extra sensitive. Things. Manicure scissors. New razor. Warm water. Shaving gel. Exfoliating scrub. Hair removal cream. Small rubber spatula. Washcloth. Timer. Ibuprofen. Mild soap. Scissors. Waxing kit. Baby powder. Mirror. Tweezers. Salicylic acid cream.